Misho and Mango's jungle adventure moral. Friendship is precious in the heart of a bright green jungle. Little Misho the monkey swung happily from tree to tree. Mango the parrot. Mango, today, let's go explore the jungle together. Mango chirped with excitement. They hopped over stones, crossed a sparkling blue stream, and saw butterflies dancing in the sunlight. Mango said, "Look, Misho, so many flowers." Misho smiled, and they smell like happiness. They both said together. Suddenly, they heard a cry for help. A little squirrel's tail was stuck in a vine. "Don't worry, friend, we're here," Misho said bravely. With teamwork, Misho pulling the vine and Mango encouraging the squirrel was free. "Friendship means helping, no matter what," said Mango. The three friends shared juicy mangoes under the shade of a tall banyan tree. They laughed, sang, and made a promise. "Wherever we go together," they cheered, narrator. And so, in the jungle of colors and songs, Misho and Mango learned that the best adventure is the one you share with friends. All together, yay for friendship.